today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Click to Pay Lloyds Bank. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Click to Pay feature makes it extremely convenient and secure to pay online, in-store, wherever you are, using your Lloyds Bank card. Usually, all cards will have this option enabled by default, so as soon as you proceed to checkout, as long as you are signed in using the proper Lloyds account, you will be able to choose your card as the payment method and issue that specific payment. Now, if you are unsure if the feature is available on your card and you would like to double check, or you have tried using it in the past and for whatever reason it isn't working, then usually you will have to change a specific setting within the application. So to do this, open the Lloyds Bank app and sign into your account. Now, you will have to go into the card settings. So find a specific card by tapping on the cards icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then choose a specific one. Once you are in the card management page, all that you have to do is look for Click to Pay. Usually it is going to be under spending options, and by going over to Click to Pay, you will be able to enable or disable it according to your preferences and set up a specific limit of how much can be used with the feature. So all that you have to do is find the Click to Pay option when you access the Cards tab on the Lloyds Bank app. There is no secret to this, and like I said before, usually this option will be enabled by default on any modern Lloyds Bank card. This option or this step is only going to be required if you notice that it isn't working for you, even though you believe it should. So by changing this specific option under the Cards management, you will be able to use Click to Pay on any store that accepts your Lloyds Bank card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Click to Pay Lloyds Bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.